Hello, hi Brent. Please check updates on community changes. First change is make sidebar static. Look here, and refreshing the community homepage. Look here, sidebar is static. The first point is done. Now, second point is on user registration. After clicking invite new users at the top, the buttons at the bottom section need to be changed. Please make the add user says add additional user. Change the background to white like the cancel button and place on the left of the screen. Then make the invite users button say submit. Look, notifications, user registration, invite new user, add additional user, submit, cancel, cancel and add additional users. Look at this is same. Third one, change update new building button. This button need to match those on the other screens. Please change it to an orange background with the white text. Look, yeah, the new building button. Its color background color is orange and text color is white. The fourth one, change back button option. When a user is in work order, there is no way to get back to the home screen. Please add button on the work order page that can get the user back to the list of orders. Look these changes on work order. After clicking on case record, community user redirected on the details page. In the detail page, we have added one quick action, but you have enabled the chapter or the community. That's why this quick action is displayed. We have added one button here, back. Yeah, if you click on this button, you will redirect to again in community home page. Looks, I'm clicking on back button, again you redirect on community's home page. Thanks.